Hey, cybersecurity students. Welcome back to CyberTutor. In today's launch episode of our new series, Cybersecurity Market, we're tackling a big question everyone is asking. Can AI replace cybersecurity jobs? With AI growing fast in security tools, SOC automation, and threat detection, many students are worried about the future. Today, we'll break it down clearly. What AI is already doing in cybersecurity, what jobs it can and cannot replace, the real impact on the cybersecurity market, and what you should focus on as a student. Let's get into it. What AI is already doing in cybersecurity. AI is already heavily used in cybersecurity systems, such as Security Operations Centers, SOC, Intrusion Detection Systems, IDS, Endpoint Detection and Response, EDR, SIEM platforms. Threat intelligence tools AI helps by detecting anomalies, analyzing logs, identifying malware, analyzing logs, identifying malware patterns, automating alerts. In simple terms, AI is already acting like a cybersecurity assistant. What AI can do well. AI is strong at 1. Pattern recognition. It can analyze millions of logs faster than humans. 2. Automation. It can automatically flag suspicious activity, block malicious IPs, generate alerts. 3. Data analysis. It can process large-scale security data in seconds. 4. Predictive detection. Machine learning models can detect unknown threats. What AI cannot replace. Even with all its power, AI has major limitations. 1. Human decision-making. Cybersecurity requires judgment. Is this activity truly malicious? Is it a false positive? AI often lacks context. 2. Incident response strategy. During real attacks, humans must decide, isolate systems, shut down services, coordinate recovery. 3. Threat hunting creativity. Attackers evolve, and humans are still better at thinking like attackers, discovering new attack patterns. 4. Ethical and legal decisions. AI cannot handle compliance, legal responsibility, business risk decisions. So, can AI replace cybersecurity jobs? The answer is no, but it will transform them. Instead of replacing cybersecurity professionals, AI is automating repetitive tasks, speeding up detection, assisting analysts, changing job roles. How the cybersecurity market is changing. The industry is shifting toward AI-assisted SOC analysts, less manual log checking, more investigation. Cloud security automation. AI helps secure cloud environments faster. AI security engineers, new roles focused on securing AI systems, preventing prompt injection, monitoring model behavior. Hybrid human plus AI teams. Future SOC teams will be humans making decisions, AI handling data processing. New risks created by AI. AI also introduces new threats. AI-powered phishing, automated malware creation, prompt injection attacks, model manipulation, data poisoning. So cybersecurity demand is actually increasing. Why cybersecurity students must understand. This understanding AI's role helps you stay relevant in the job market, learn future security tools, understand SOC evolution, prepare for AI security, hybrid roles, build career resilience. Real-world reality companies are not reducing cybersecurity teams. They are retraining them to work with AI tools. So instead of replacing jobs, AI is changing skill requirements, increasing automation, creating new roles. Final thoughts. AI is not here to replace cybersecurity professionals. It's here to change how they work. The future belongs to those who understand both. Cybersecurity fundamentals. AI-powered security systems. If you learn both, you become extremely valuable in the job market. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications and comment below. Will AI replace cybersecurity jobs? I want to hear your thoughts. Stay curious, stay secure. See you in the next episode of Cybersecurity Market.